Okay, this is a quick ehallpass tutorial. So you see this when you go to ehallpass.com/login. You're going to log in using Google. Select your lsr7.net account. Give it a couple seconds. Maybe a couple more seconds. There we go. Okay, so most of the time, kids are going to make a pass on their computer. In fact, I would say 99% of the time, you can ask them to make a pass on their computer so that you're not the one creating the pass and taking the time to do that. So they know how to make a pass. They've learned in homeroom. And so once they make a pass, it will appear down here where it says no items available, their pass will appear. So if a student is going somewhere, you just click approve. Sometimes you'll have ehallpass open, or when you open ehallpass, you'll see that maybe the nurse or the front office or the counselor's office has put in a pass for that student. That means they're coming to you. So you would just click arrived and then end. There's an option to send them back, but in most cases, you're not going to be sending them back. So just click arrived to say that they've arrived, and then you can end the pass, which will take it out of this queue here. So it'll say no items available again. Now, if you need to make a pass for a student, that happens sometimes. Like I had a student today go to the nurse's office and he was feeling bad to the point that he needed to hurry up. So I made the pass for him. So I'm going to click create and then teacher proxy pass. These you don't need to worry about too much. This is what you're going to be using more often than not. So I searched my student. This student's name was Jack. So I find him. And what's his last name? Okay, Jack League is his name. And he needed to go to the nurse, right? So I'm going to start typing in. Oh, sorry, it's health room. There we go, health room. And then I don't know that you necessarily have to put reason. I went ahead and just put what his reason was, that like the health problem that was going on, that he needed to go to the health room, pre-approved pass, and then you're going to submit. Once you submit the pass, the nurse will see it when the student gets there, and they will be the one to end the pass. So if you need to make a pass for them to go elsewhere, there are lots of other options. You can see, there's Jamie. You can see that there are all of the people who work at the school, all the staff who have a room that they could possibly be going to. If you need to do, let's see what happens with restroom. So for restrooms, it would be, for us, the blue pod restroom. And I don't think you would really need to worry about these other ones. So I think that that pretty much covers it. Actually, here, let's do one more. Let's say they need to go to the counselor. Let's see if that works. Oh, okay, counseling. So if they need to go to the counseling office, that's what you're going to click. If they need to go to front office, I'm just checking to see how these are, how they're phrased, maybe STAD. Usually if students need to go to the office for something, they go to STAD because that's the student administration, but sometimes they have to go to the main office. So main, did main not work? Oh, there we go, main office. Front office didn't work, main office. So that's how it's phrased. Anyway, if you can't find what you're looking for, oftentimes just phrasing it a different way is going to help. And I think that's it. So hopefully this makes sense and will help you. Let me know if you have any other questions.